fans of the Avengers know how to get ready for a long-awaited premiere. Do appropriate lip makeup. Turn a face compact into Captain America's shield and hide a nail polish in Thor's hammer. Watch these and other superhero ideas in our new video. We are looking forward to the next superhero movie release. The trailer is so exciting, and the premiere is tonight. We need to get ready right now. We start doing our makeup. My friend takes out regular face powder. No way! I seize her boring face powder out of her hands. A superhero's girlfriend should have a real shield and no plain compact. Prepare face powder in a round, flat container. Mix acrylic paint of different shades of blue and color the powder container using a sponge. Cut out 4 circles, proportionally decreasing them each time. The biggest circle is red. It is slightly smaller than the diameter of the compact. Then comes a white circle, a red one again, and the smallest one is blue. Cut out a white star to fit in the central blue disc. Attach the circles to the container, interchanging the colors. Paint the central star silver and add sparkling accents. Fasten a silver ribbon to the back of the container to make a handle. Now it's clear who a real fan is. I will be able to repel all blows of fate with this shield. Captain America would be proud of me. We are going to enter the cinema, but Blondie is not ready for the performance. Her lips are way too pale for this bright movie. We will fix it with my superhero EOS lip balm. Open an EOS container and take out the lip balm. Put in red lipstick. Add beeswax granules. Melt it in a microwave. Pour the prepared mixture into the EOS cap and put it into a fridge. Make 2 drop-shaped holes in the hardened balm using an awl. These are Spider-Man's eyes. Mix beeswax, castor oil, and white food coloring. Melt it over a candle and pour it into the eye holes. Scratch a cobweb with an awl. Define the eye contour and the cobweb with black eyeliner. My friend opens the EOS lip balm and Spider-Man looks at her out of it. It's awesome! Blondie is completely mesmerized by the little spider. It's so handy to have a superhero in your pocket. I'm going to surprise my friend. I will sneak Hulk into her popcorn bucket. Paint a blush container green. Cut a green circle out of paper to be of the same size as the container and make a crosscut in the center. Tear up the edges. Attach it to the top of the container. Cut a hand off an old doll. Attach it to the center hole and cover with green acrylic paint. Define the hole and cracks with black acrylic paint. Redhead finishes her popcorn before the movie starts. Binge eating is her superpower. That's all right. I give her another bucket, and Hulk's hand sticks out of the popcorn. Surprise! Popcorn with a superhero filling. There is blush inside of Hulk. Let's fix our makeup before meeting our idols. The movie is over, but we are still excited. Redhead loves the movie so much that she can't calm down all the way home. I will make a present to cheer up my fantastical friend. It's Iron Man EOS. Roll out air-dry clay and wrap EOS lip balm in it. Cut off the excess. Dampen the clay with water to smooth it out. Make a cut at the joining so that the lip balm can open. Cut elements of Iron Man's mask out of a separate piece of clay. Assemble the details. Dampen the base with water and attach the mask. Cover the seams with water to secure them nicely. Make sure to cut the clay as far as you add the details, letting the balm open. Paint the clay with golden and red acrylic paint when it dries completely. Define silver eyes and use brown paint to add shades. In this way, we will make it more voluminous and realistic. Redhead is happy. Iron Man is her favorite superhero. Now she will always keep it with her. Well, they look nice together. We just can't part with our superheroes. What can be cooler? Only Avengers-styled makeup. Exactly like the one our friend has on. I can't make up my mind on what makeup to choose for the movie premiere. At last, I decide to try on a Captain America image. I will try to replicate his signature print on my lips. Make vertical arches with white lip liner. Draw a circle in the center and a star. Shade the side strip and the star with white. Apply a bright red matte liquid lipstick to a thin brush and cover the corners with it and the center. Cover the remaining center circle with blue face paint. Leave the star white. This superhero makeup will attract so much attention that I will be the star of the movie premiere. Or maybe I should try something different. For example, draw Iron Man on my lips. Make a sketch of Iron Man's mask on your lips with a white lip pencil. Draw a semicircle on your upper lip. Add 2 eyes and corners. Define a border on your lower lip. Apply red lipstick using a brush. Cover the middle with golden face paint. Define the details with black eyeshadow using a thin brush. Make a strip at the bottom. Outline the eyes and define the color borders. The superhero lip makeup is ready. Our friend looks fabulous. Iron Man shines brightly on her lips. Now it's clear what her superpower is. It's the power to attract attention. Who will be lucky enough to get this superhero kiss? Our EOS lip balms haven't impressed. Her lip makeup certainly looks way more spectacular. But we decide to teach this Popinjay a lesson. We will test Thor's hammer on her. I pretend that my nail is broken, and Redhead hands me over a divine relic right away. Cut an octagon from silver air dry clay. It should fit the size of your nail polish. Make a deepening in the middle for the vial. Prepare one more identical detail. Put the vial into the clay and attach both parts. Smooth the seams. Draw the pattern on the hammer with an awl. Use an empty marker barrel of an appropriate size to make a handle. Cover it with brown acrylic paint. Decorate it with silver ribbon. Attach a silver rope loop. Put the handle on the nail polish cap. As the legend says, Thor's hammer is extremely heavy. I pretend I can't move it for an inch. Then my friend comes to deal with it. She gets ready for the divine fight for a long time. At last, she grabs Thor's hammer and falls, because the nail polish is not that heavy. Caught you! But she is not mad at us. Instead, she offers us her golden lipstick. Even Wonder Woman might want this lipstick. Mix the remains of lip balm with some beeswax. Add shea butter, sea buckthorn oil, castor oil, yellow liquid food coloring, golden dry food coloring, and edible glitter. Melt the mixture in a microwave and pour it into an empty lip balm tube. Put it in a cold place. Take the hardened lipstick out of the lip balm tube and put it into a golden tube of used lipstick. Make a slanted cut. Cover the lipstick top with glue and decorate it with golden glitter. All eyes will be for sure on the girls wearing the awesome lipstick. You can put it on your lips or define your cheekbones instead of highlighter and make warrior makeup of a superhero. Say what you will, but the beauty is our superpower. Did you like our superhero-styled makeup? Then write in your comments how you get ready.
Do it! Prank wars, beauty hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. You'll never be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new surprise. The channel that will blow your mind.